I've been many places in my life, but none of them like this. Where the natural hue of the beach is directly adjacent to the Indian Ocean. Its longest coastline in West Java also complements the mountain range. Soaring mountains adorn Garut. See the mysterious view at dawn with the mist thickened and visible from afar. And the impression will reappear at the dusk, when the sun is red and begins to disappear on the western horizon. This is the place where the natural beauty of Priangan is mixed with the rich cultural products of its people. Its signature delicacies can only be surpassed by the warm hospitality of its citizens. And it will make you regret if you forget the glamorous of its waterfall. Here, you will only see smiles. It comes from the heart. Garut is like a diamond that gives off a sparkling light. Welcome to Garut, heaven and the land of Priangan.